this video, I'll be showing you how to use Coursiv IO. Before we start, hurry up and check out the suffrages under this video. So let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering, or you're planning on using the Coursiv IO website or platform here. So there are going to be a few things that you need to know here, and we'll be showing you how to get started here. So first, let's go and discuss what is Coursiv IO. So Coursiv IO is an online course creation and management platform designed to help educators, entrepreneurs, and beginners build and deliver engaging learning experiences. Now, it provides an intuitive dashboard, a drag and drop course builder, student engagement tools, customization options, and marketing features. The platform supports various content formats, including videos, quizzes, and assignments, while also offering analytics and integration with webinar platforms like CRM tools, whether you're offering free or paid courses. Coursiv IO makes the process seamless and accessible for all skill levels. Now, basically, it allows you to create courses. Now, whether you're an educator or an entrepreneur, so whatever purpose you want to use it. Now, the great thing about Coursiv IO here is you could actually access this on different platforms. Like, for example, you could get the Coursiv app here, or Coursiv AI Tool Mastery on your Android device. Now, you could also get this on the App Store here for your Apple devices. And the great thing about Coursiv IO here, it's well known. So there are going to be a lot of reviews regarding the platform itself. So according to Trustpilot here, it receives around like 4.5 stars, which is pretty high here, which is 61% of all the reviews that they have right now. Now, as you can see, they have a lot of reviews here, which in this case are mostly 5 stars. Now, in this case, how do we start using the platform? So in here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and go to the official website here, which is going to be coursiv.io. And at the top right, you have the Start Now button. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, what we need to do is we want to answer a few things. So this is going to be a 1-minute quiz. So first is select your gender. So I'm going to choose male. Now from here, you want to go and choose your age group or select your age. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. Now from here, it's going to give you some information here. So it's going to show you the amount of people currently using Coursiv IO here. And in this case, the tools or the latest AI tools here mentioned on the following platforms. But let's go and click on continue. Now from here, it's going to ask you what is your main goal. So for example, maybe I want to grow my wealth. Now from here, what income source are you most familiar with? So let's go ahead and choose full-time job. Now from here, what is your work schedule like? So let's just say it is going to be a 9 to 5. Now, what are the challenges with your current job? So maybe I want to answer here, feeling underpaid. So this is just an example. Let's go and click on next step. Now from here, it's going to say, thank you for sharing. We'll do our best to help. Let's go and click on continue. Now from here, again, it's going to ask you a few things. So how do you feel about your financial situation? Let's go ahead and say, like, for example, I'm comfortable. Now from here, you're on the right track. Let's go and click on continue. Now from here, what's your annual income level do you want to achieve here? So let's just say this amount here. Now from here, do you wish you have more control over your work hours and location? Let's go ahead and answer yes here. And would you enjoy a job where something else does the routine work for you? So let's go and choose it's a dream. Now, what would you do with the time saved from cutting out boring tasks? Let's go ahead and say, like, for example, pursue creative passions. And what would you enjoy a job that matches your interests? So maybe I want to say absolutely. Now let's go ahead and click on continue here. And from here, how much do you know about digital business? So let's just say my knowledge is limited. Now, have you ever explored ways to earn money beyond regular work? So maybe I want to say no, just regular job. And are you comfortable with learning new skills or techniques? So go ahead and answer yes here. Now, what AI tools are you already familiar with? So for example, I'm familiar with ChatGPT. Click on next step. Now from here, rate your knowledge in content writing. Let's go ahead and maybe say I'm a novice. Now from here, rate your knowledge in digital marketing. Let's go answer here, novice. Now, did you know that AI tools may boost your income potential here? So maybe I want to say I'm curious. And what fields would you personally like to try in yourself? Let's go ahead and answer here, web development, and click on next step. Now, rate your readiness to master AI. So maybe I want to say ready. And from here, let's go ahead and click on continue. And do you find it easy to maintain your focus? So let's go ahead and click answer I often struggle. And as you can see, your readiness score is now in here. Now, moderate. Now you can go ahead and click on continue here. And from here, is there something special you wish to achieve? So for example, maybe I want to buy a house, and how much time are you ready to spend to achieve your goal? So let's just say I'm going to say like 20 minutes a day here, and it should give you your personal AI driven income growth challenge here. So in this case, let's go and click on continue. Now from here, it's going to give you some information, and it's going to start creating your personal challenge. So let's go ahead and just wait for it to complete. Now from here, you need to enter email address. Let's go ahead and enter our email address here. So it's going to show you your 4-week readiness level here. Let's go and click on continue. And from here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and proceed with getting your discount here. Now, the thing with Coursiv.io here is you need to get a plan here. So we have a 1-week plan, 4-week plan here, and a 12-week plan. Now, the great thing about their platform here is, again, you get a discount when you're trying to sign up. So from here, if you want to get the 1-week plan, you get it like 0.99 cents a day, which in this case, if you are going to get this, it's around like 6.93 a week. Now for a 4-week plan, you get like $19.99 for 4 weeks. So 12 weeks is around 39.99 here. So if you're really sure that you want to get this, just click on get my plan, and you want to go ahead and proceed with the payment. So the discount expires like around like 10 minutes, so make sure to proceed with the payment here if you really want to get it. Now, once you've created your account, or once you've logged into your account, this is what you'll be seeing. Now, the first thing that you'll be seeing here in your account is going to be your profile. Now, your profile here will give you an overview what is currently happening right now on your account, and also different ways to get assistance or even access your settings. So as you can see, this will show you your certificates. So right now, my progress is not that good. So I have ChatGPT, DALL-E, Midjourney, and Jasper AI here. So it will show me my current progress right now on those specific topics. Now, if you want to get assistance on your account, just in case you are having some problems, you can go ahead and click on help here, and this will direct you to the customer support page, which in this case, you can view a few articles or even enter or ask a question here. Now, if you want to access your settings, at the top right, this is where you'll be able to click your gear icon. Now, in this section, you should be able to see your terms and condition, privacy policy, your subscription terms, your subscription, your payment history, and also if you do not want to sell your personal data here. Now, if you want to adjust your language, you can go and click on language here and change to a different one. So as you can see, there are going to be a number of languages here that you can choose from. Now, also, let's go and go back here. Now, in the other tabs here, we have different things that we can access. So not only we could access our profile here, as you can see at the very bottom here, we also have guides. Now guides here allows you to basically view guides, learn more regarding topics. Like for example, we have ChatGPT here. Now if you want to continue to start learning regarding that topic, you can go and click on continue learning here, and it will redirect you to this section here, which in this case will give you a roadmap of what you should be learning. Now if you want to start on that, you can go ahead and click on the appropriate one here. You'd even click on the 3-bar icon here to basically view it in a different way here. So you can start with ChatGPT, Midjourney, or you can go and click on resume path here. Now yeah, so you can go and click on the appropriate one here and basically click on start lesson to start learning regarding that specific topic. Now you also have the mastery path here, which includes Midjourney like what we saw before. Now we also have recommended topics for you. So in this case, we have first steps to profit with AI, earning through ChatGPT 4 and SMM. So in this case, you could basically learn more or additional things here. So you can go and click on see all here to view all the recommended topics that you might want to start learning from. Now, this case, next is we have challenges. Now, challenges is a way for you to see different challenges here. So in this case, it's going to be a day-to-day basis. So there are going to be a lot of challenges that you can get here, like the 40-day AI side gigs challenge. We also have the 2025 28-day AI challenge and the 28-day AI challenge here. So each of these challenge has different topics that they cover. Like for example, let's go and access the 2025 28-day AI challenge. So in this case, this will include topics on the following platforms, which in this case, if you join now here, this will actually give you access to different topics here. Now, if by the way, there is going to be a duration for this one and also the level for it. So just keep in mind, like if you're pretty new to the platform, I recommend you start with beginner, then go basically proceed with other levels as you move forward. But yeah, so next is we have AI tools. So AI tools allows you to use tools that uses AI. So that includes like image generation, business coach here, and a lot more. Now, in this case, for example, let's go access image generate gen here, or image generator. Now, from here, it again, like what I said before, image gen here allows you to create images here, but what you need to do is you just need to write the message here and describe what you want to see in this section. Now, or what you want to see generated in this chat here. Now, if you click on the question mark at the top right here, this allows you to basically create new chat if you want to. And yeah, so obviously there are going to be a lot of things that you can view here. Just go and click on view all. So there are going to be different tools that you could use, like Productivity Pro and ideas for lifestyle, image generation if you want to. We have pixel art, stable diffusion, logo maker, and a lot more. So obviously there are going to be a lot of things that you could do here, but I'm just going to leave this to you to explore. But again, there's going to be a lot of things that you could use here, or basically tinker around. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So those are the things that you can do here in Coursiv IO, and from here on, you should be good. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.